Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the oxidizing property of KMnO4 in that is neutral medium, and now in this topic I am going to talk about the oxidizing property of KMnO4 in alkaline medium. So what is the reaction and what are the different examples? This is what I am going to talk about in this topic. So now let's get started. So friends, in this topic I am going to talk about the oxidizing property of KMnO4 in alkaline medium. So for that we have to consider that is KMnO4. So whenever KMnO4 is treated with that is KOH, in this case it is nothing but an alkaline, or it could be also reacted with that is NaOH, but for a while that is whenever KMnO4 is treated with KOH, so the product that is what we could get is that is K2MnO4. In this case this is potassium permanganate, but this is potassium manganate, and along with that of that is water, and there will be in the second oxygen that it will produce. But in this case we have to balance the reaction, and that's the reason that we are multiplying this by 2, as well as we are also multiplying this by 2, so as to obtain that is K2MnO4, but here also we have to multiply it by 2. So therefore we have got that is 2 moles of K2MnO4. So this 2 moles of K2MnO4, that is potassium manganate, it will further undergo through a reaction with H2O in presence of a reducing agent so as to form a particular product, that is MnO2. So in this case I am going to talk about the reaction, that is whenever 2 moles of K2MnO4 is reacted with that is 2 moles of H2O, that also in presence of a reducing agent, and that's the reason that the product that is what we could get is we could get 2 moles of MnO2 along with that of 4 moles of KOH along with that of that is 2 moles of discrete oxygen atom. So therefore this is the product that is what we could get, and in each step, that is what I have mentioned over here, we get a discrete oxygen atom. And that's the reason that KMnO4, even though in an alkaline medium it behaves like a strong oxidizing agent, and based on that we are going to talk about an example. So now let us understand that example. So now let us discuss about the example, that is whenever KMnO4, and obviously in alkaline medium, suppose if it is treated with Ki, that is potassium iodide, along with that of water. So therefore the product that is what we could get is we get 2 moles of MnO2. So here basically the KMnO4 is basically oxidized to MnO2 along with that of the byproduct, that is what we could get is we get 2 moles of KOH, and this is KiO3. So in this case this Ki, or that is potassium iodide, is converted or it is oxidized to KiO3, which is known as potassium iodide. So therefore this is how basically KMnO4 is acting like a strong oxidizing agent, and this is how basically the Ki has been converted into KiO3, and that's it. So therefore this is the reaction where KMnO4 is acting like a strong oxidizing agent. But not only this, we have also the other examples. For example, if CH2 double bond CH2, that is if alkene is undergoing through a reaction with H2O, and suppose in presence of nascent oxygen atom, and this nascent oxygen atom is because of the alkaline KMnO4, and therefore the resultant product that is what we could get is we could get CH2OH, and here also CH2OH. That means a glycol is what we could obtain. So therefore this was the first example, this is the second example, and now let me talk about the next example. Suppose friends, if I am talking about toluene, and in this case basically if the toluene is treated with that is alkaline KMnO4, and obviously we understand that it will produce nascent oxygen atoms, so therefore this toluene, it will be converted into benzoic acid. So therefore this were all the reactions which shows that KMnO4 is acting like a strong oxidizing agent in an alkaline medium, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this reaction very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.